In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate AI images in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank screen to a compelling image using just a clear prompt. First, open Grok. You can do this in your browser or the app, whichever you prefer. Give it a moment to load fully so the interface is responsive and everything you need is visible. If it's your first time, take a quick glance around so you recognize the main sections and the toolbar. Next, click Imagine. This is the area dedicated to image generation. It's where you'll be typing what you want to see and where Grok will display the results. If you don't see it immediately, look near the top or side navigation. Imagine is typically labeled clearly so you can jump right in. Now, input your AI image prompt. Think of the prompt as your set of instructions to the model. The clearer you are, the better your results. Start with the subject, then add details about style, setting, lighting, mood, and any visual elements that matter to you. For example, you can specify whether you want something realistic, illustrated, or stylized. Mention colors, time of day, or even a camera angle. Natural language works best, so write as if you're describing the picture to someone else. To get started quickly, you can simply say, "Create an AI image of a boy." That short prompt will generate a basic result. From there, you can refine the wording to guide the look and feel. If you want a more vivid scene, add descriptors like the activity, environment, or clothing. You might say a boy reading a book by a window with warm afternoon light, or a boy playing soccer in a park with soft motion blur. The idea is to help Grok visualize what you're imagining. As you type, aim for clarity over complexity. Use simple sentences, avoid contradictions, and keep your key details near the start of the prompt. If a specific style matters, like watercolor, cinematic, or comic book, include it. If you care about framing, you can describe it in words such as close-up portrait or wide landscape shot. Once your prompt is in, Grok will interpret your description and generate the image accordingly. If the output isn't quite right, small adjustments to wording typically make a big difference. A few extra adjectives or a clearer subject can transform the result. That's all there is to it. Open Grok, click Imagine, and type your prompt, like create an AI image of a boy, to bring your idea to life.